Tool number 7, a lead generation tool that runs on your own laptop, finds verified leads, and exports clean data, for $49 once, not thousands a year. Enterprise tools are brutal. ZoomInfo is $15,000 a year, LinkedIn Recruiter is $8.99 a month. For smaller volumes you don't need that, smart Google queries plus browser automation do the job. The killer feature is a 3-panel query builder. Pick the sites, the email patterns, and the location, and it generates hundreds of targeted searches automatically. Then stealth mode takes over. A Playwright Chromium browser with anti-detection searches, visits results, and extracts names, emails, websites, and social profiles, validating each email by its records. Leads fill the dashboard in real time, around 50 in 4 minutes, and batch mode runs 100+ queries unattended. Export to CSV, Excel, or PDF, deduplicated and ready for your CRM. Compare, ZoomInfo $15,000 a year, Hunter up to $200 a month, LinkedIn Recruiter $8.99 a month. This is $49 once, $19 at launch. Tool 7 of 8. Next, the Recruitment Edition, built for sourcing candidates. Subscribe.